works fine, games work fine, but voice keeps reconnecting, and you're getting 2007 error during streams. That strongly points to UDP/NAT firewall QoS conflicts affecting Discord voice servers. Here's the proper fix guide. Why this is happening. Discord voice uses UDP protocol, dynamic voice server routing, NAT traversal. If your new router has strict NAT, has SIP ALG enabled, has aggressive QoS, or blocks certain UDP ports, you'll get constant reconnecting, join sound looping, RTC connecting stuck, error 2007 during stream. Complete fix step by step, restart and power cycle router, important. Unplug router plus modem, wait 5 minutes, plug modem first, wait until fully online, then plug router. This refreshes ISP routing. Disable SIP ALG, very important. Log into your router panel. Usually you can see the code in our conversation history, or you can see the code in our conversation history. Find Advanced Settings, WAN, NAT, SIP ALG. Turn SIP ALG off. Save and reboot router. SIP ALG often breaks Discord voice. Enable UPnP in router settings. Enable UPnP. Save, restart router. This allows Discord to open required ports automatically. Set NAT type to open. If your router shows NAT type, change to open NAT. If behind double NAT, put ISP modem in bridge mode or put your PC in DMZ temporary test. Change DNS, often fixes 2007 error. On Windows network settings, adapter, properties. IPv4, use custom DNS. Primary, you can see the code in our conversation history. Secondary, you can see the code in our conversation history, or you can see the code in our conversation history. Restart PC after changing. Disable QoS if enabled. Some routers throttle real-time traffic incorrectly. If QoS is enabled, turn it off and test. Disable hardware acceleration in Discord. Discord settings advanced. Turn off hardware acceleration. Restart app. Check firewall, allow Discord through. Windows Defender Firewall, allow app. Make sure Discord is allowed for. Private, public. If problem still happens, try this test. Connect your PC directly to modem, bypass router. If problem disappears, router is the issue. If problem stays, ISP routing problem. If ISP issue, call them and say, open quote, UDP voice applications are unstable and reconnecting constantly. Close quote. They sometimes put connections behind CGNAT, which causes this. Most common real cause. After moving, new ISP uses CGNAT, router has SIP ALG enabled, double NAT configuration, QoS misconfigured. If you tell me ISP